Today I want to share with you a new feature on TradingView. It's volume candles. Volume candles are a unique type of chart, unlike traditional candlesticks, which only show open, high, low, and close prices. Volume candles incorporate the volume traded during each period directly into the candle's appearance. This gives traders a clear picture of the relationship between price movements and trading volume. First, let me show you how to access volume candles on TradingView. Open TradingView and select the chart of your choice. Click on the chart settings, look for the option and enable it. As you can see, the candles now reflect volume information, with thicker candles indicating higher volume and thinner candles indicating lower volume. Now let's break down how to read these volume candles. Thicker candles represent periods of high trading volume, while a thick red candle indicates strong selling activity. Thinner candles represent periods of low trading volume. Thin green candles suggest weak buying, and thin red candles suggest weak selling. By combining the visual aspects of both price and volume candles can help you identify significant market moves and potential reversals more effectively. Let's look at some practical examples to see how volume candles can be used in real trading scenarios. Here we have a breakout above a key resistance level. Notice how the breakout candle is thick, indicating high volume. This confirms that the breakout is supported by strong buying interest, making it more likely to be sustained. In this example, we see a potential reversal pattern. The price forms a hammer candlestick, but the volume candle is thin, indicating low volume. This suggests that the reversal might lack conviction and traders should be cautious. Trend continuation. During an uptrend, we see a series of thick green candles. This consistent high volume on upward moves confirms the strength of the trend, suggesting that it is likely to continue. What are the advantages of using volume candles? Enhanced market insight. By combining price and volume data, volume candles offer a more comprehensive view of market dynamics, improved decision-making. With clearer information on volume trends, traders can make more informed decisions about entry and exit points. And there you have it. Volume candles are a powerful new feature on TradingView that can enhance your trading strategy by providing deeper insights into market activity. If you haven't tried them yet, I highly recommend giving them a go. I personally thought that it might take some time to get used to them. That was not the case. The moment I turned this feature on, I never looked back. Now I can't live without them. Getting any value from this content? Subscribe now and let me know in the comments if you have tried volume candles and what you think of them. Please support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I value your time. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.